Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're very welcome, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel so that every time I upload new content you can keep up to date with it. Today I'm making a soup. This is without a shadow of a doubt one of my absolute favourite soups. It's a smoky bacon soup. It's thick, velvety and delicious. So we'll get underway right away. I just want a quick drizzle of oil. The merest amount. I just want this to help the bacon cook. So I have 250 grams here of streaky smoked bacon, and this gives the soup such an incredible flavour. And we're just going to cook this for a few moments, just until it begins, some of the bacon's fat begins to leach out into the pan, and this is going to be the basis for cooking the rest of the soup ingredients and give it all that smoky flavour. I have here, this is just a couple of onions and a couple of stalks of celery that I've roughly chopped. Really doesn't matter, you don't need to be pernickety about this because again it's going to be blended, so don't waste too much time on it. That smoky aroma is beginning to waft up. Okay, the bacon's browned slightly, so in now with the celery and onion. And we're just going to cook this, stirring occasionally for a few moments, just until the onion's softened and has begun to become translucent. I have here 800 grams of sweet potato and 200 grams of white potato. I peeled and just cut into chunks. And you'll find a link in the description box below to the full written recipe as well. So this can be tumbled in as well. I have 1.7 litres of stock, and I've just made this by boiling a kettle and adding a few stock cubes to it. I want half a teaspoon of thyme. You can use fresh or dried, whatever you've got. I always have dried in, so add that. I'm going to add a little salt, but very sparingly because there's a lot of bacon there and that's quite salty. And I like white pepper here, and I just use ground white pepper. Give it a quick stir together. And 2 bay leaves, we'll just pop those in. As soon as this begins to boil, I'll reduce the heat and I'll simmer for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are extremely tender. Then it's just a matter of letting it cool slightly and blending. My soup is lovely and tender now. All the veggies are super soft, so it's time to get a blend in. I'm just using a stick blender to blend. Oh, and as always, almost every time I make soup, I always forget to take the bay leaves out prior to blending, so do so. Want half a teaspoon of cinnamon, to grate in a little fresh nutmeg. If you haven't got fresh nutmeg, you could of course use dried instead. And a little more white pepper. Give that a stir. And we'll just check for seasoning. So good. I think just a touch of salt, not a lot. And we're ready to ladle up. Nothing left to do but enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'd really appreciate if you would do so and turn on the bell notification so you'll be kept up to date with all my latest content. And if you have any recipe suggestions you'd like to see on my channel, leave me a comment down below. And thanks for watching. Till next time, have a good one.